Hello, my people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends where you are watching me from. I mean, my brother, latest Aproko News TV. How on a day? Yes, I don't come back again. Say make I come still bring this ogbonge matter when it be say it dey go on. I know say I first talk about one certain matter when it be say concerning Rita Yemiomo and the woman when it be say he arrest her mother. So now because of the matter, now make me come. So more we hit am the way e be. I know say the person wey be say I don't like violent and I dey talk am the way e be without favorable. So the person wey this matter concern since then, now I can't know the person wey e be say e concern. And this woman name na Prophetess Grace and Odion Lovett. So I go talk am the way e be. You understand? And all the person wey be say e go come dey talk back of word. I go talk, and those two people na our sister, our Edo sister. So wetin dem do no be wetin good. I kick against am because I don't know say na dem, but they tell me say one dey Spain and one dey Belgium. I no fit go dey accuse anybody when I don't know anything about am. So before I start, make I fair greet una. Now good morning, una good evening, afternoon, good evening. Depends where you from the watch us. Yes, in case maybe you never support this channel, please subscribe, like our video and on your notification button. Whenever we bring new video, you will still follow us. I appreciate all my returning subscribers. May God continue to bless you for your time watching my video and for your support. I appreciate you all. Yes, so my people, when we talk on the way it be. So now because that one now I come. Since then I don't get chance. When I tell you investigate, I know the person when it be say it concern. I suppose don't do this video, but I don't get chance. Now it's okay. Let me create chance to take one today. This woman in question, Prophetess Grace, me I common prophetess because now me not go to put stain for people will be say they bear that name. Grace I be a problem to the good those in social media. Why I talk am not be this one. This one not be the first thing wey be say she don't do for this social media. Now she first bring Papa Lovett Eikioja come out. She and Odion Lovett record that man begin dey ask her some kind question when e be say e no cut for. She don create many problems for this social media. I don't understand whether na social media be say she dey do her profess her work. I don't know. If Odion Lovett get problem with anybody, she go call am. That woman go start to dey carry some kind heat wey be say the problem wey be say e no concern am. The thing dey vex me because I dey follow them. No things wey be say dem dey do wey be say I no dey know about. I dey follow them bomber to bomber. When Odion Lovett Eikioja happen, we just still talk and say wetin they do to that man e not good. Leave that man and the family alone. E no concern anybody. They take care of the man. They not dey take care of the man. No, e no concern anybody. But they record that man, bring am to social media, molest that man. Now the same Grace and Odion Lovett na do this thing. Another one still happen before this one now. Me I talk to you, Grace. If you want famous, we will make you famous. Not be for good way, for the bad way. The kind of popularity wey we say you define popularity, we will give you in bad way. I don't know the religion wey be say you belong to. If na Christian, in church where you dey go, they suppose even drive you comot for that church. This matter wey be say e dey go on now, the matter no concern you. Na court dey call you say according to the confession wey they say you confess, say they bring Rita matter say make you kill her. You say no, Rita too dey sound, you no fit kill her. A whole woman of God. Say the only thing wey you go fit do, you go arrest her mother. You should be ashamed of yourself as a Christian. You are be a problem to good those in this social media. You make the carry Bible, they preach word of God for social media. They make sure say they bring good things to the ear, make the ear. Your own are to create problem. I know say when this case enter station, now money you take buy am, if not therefore put you for behind bar because you deserve it. You deserve it. Not be so person when he call herself a Christian to dey behave. You dey promote violence. You when you know God, according to wetin you dey bear, dey do this one. Tomorrow you fit carry Bible go preach to person. No, the reason why some people no dey go church na be this one. Case wey no concern you, buy am, go meet that woman for house. Go use police. Take the find am dey go. Then Rita number near you. She say she never do video concerning you. Just because you want extort money from the woman. After I don't hold her mama, now say make she come pay. If you want make money in genuine way. I don't like what you do. The way you take they use people where they social media, take the way you they play with their life, I don't like her. I don't like her at all. Deviate from it. Study your Bible in a good way. Talk what you be say, it go inspire, it go bring good thing to people here. You just comot innocent woman wey be say no know wetin dey happen for social media, you go arrest am. Or in name of say you want do am, you want pepper her daughter. The person wey you want pepper na not near you. He no know whether you dey exist. You dey allow Lord your love dey use you. They send you some kind error wey be say e not go for a whole woman of God. Where people wey you wey suppose even dey strengthen people faith. Meaning the fact they give you person make you the key before you use that word. Say you know fit kill that person. My sister, may I make you understand. If you don't take any human life, it dey your hand, and that life will chase you all the rest of your life. Because you never create one life. No, you talk or say you get mind to take person life. Stay away from social media. Do your work. If you want preach to people. We will support you. Carry your video. Promote you. Make you famous in a good way. We don't want to hear your matter again for social media. Prophetess Grace, we don't want to hear her. If you want to hear her, preach to people. We go help, we go promote you. Since you dey need promotion, we go promote you. Stay away from people when you dey social media. If they do saga, e no concern you. Saga and Christianity, they not dey the standard. No, they use Bible till they find them, they go. Una no, they do the same thing. Stay away from them. If they report person to you, say, may you do this one, tell them your hand all day. Or the day when you be say you will go enter where you not supposed to enter, you will walk the hall of shame. The way they will take bring you down, not be what you go good. You see how this one be done, they go now. If this one be done, they go. Stay away from people problem. If they not near you, not near them. You be Christian. Face the word of God. Face them. Leave people where they do saga. Leave them alone. Let them do whatever they want to use their life to do. Not the big stay to Christian, to pastors. So now that one say me I just still tell you for your own. Now be that one. No, they carry people matter wey no concern you. No, they do and stay away from social media. The one way, those one way they do since then, we forgive you. The next one you go do, we will bring your picture, humiliate you for this social media. From there, you will stay away from social media. Social media are to promote good things, not be to they bring people family down. When you know you are a woman, you are a mother, you go use police to arrest innocent woman wey be say you no know old woman for that. I wish I know say now you. Now behind this arrest, the first video when I first make, I for find your picture come, I go bring it out. Sister, that one how you want. You want popular. So, Odion Lovett, the problem wey you dey create for this social media, you want too much. Odion Lovett, you with this thing, you are be a problem creator for this social media. You surround yourself with kidnappers, surround yourself with a criminal, cultist. Anybody may get problem with you, you say me they go to find their papa house and their mama house. They go. Now you are put the life of those boys in danger. To take undertaking where they're not supposed to take. Now you push them. You dey here, they enjoy yourself. And those boys' life are in danger. May I make you understand what you be say undertaking be where you don't know. You feel say as a woman, you don't know what you be undertaking. May I first make you bring this parable come, this reference come. One of my friends, when he did drive the car, he go mistakenly hit dog. And that dog, he newborn, his children never even open eye. The owner of dog say no the problem. The only thing you go do to those dogs, not let anyone die. My friend now, he not get breast when he go give a dog. He begin to buy milk. Pick milk. Every blessed day, he go start le bouquet till they feed dog. Until they start to they eat food where be say human be they eat. Before he rest for picnic. To tell you what it be to take guarantee, to take shorty for person say not you will feel apple. If those family, let them be your first prayer point every blessed day. If you dey waka for road, they pray for that family. May they not go use their hand to worry, do what you be say you go call the face. Because they don't already that those people don't take shorty for them. Say they go the guide them spiritual and physical. If any member of that family come out now, they snap asset come up for their hand and you see the back, you don't know what it be say, you know fit describe the person. Your brothers will call for questioning. So hours, so days where you dey. Can you bring the proof say that so place you dey because see what it happen? Because they don't already sign guarantee say they go to guide them. May God not let anything happen. The man, they drive, they go. Brake fail. Your brothers will call for questioning. Because the man fit tell them, say, in the sleep, in yes, noise they do for where the department to put. Make in or no. They will question them. They will question the so hour where you dey. Can you bring the guarantee? Say, or brief this thing. So, no, we know they use our hand, they bring problem to ourselves. Anybody give you problem here, give one. Talk calm. Let her come out for your mind. Now they say you. Now you be the mastermind. When you bring Odion Lovett, we connect with that woman, Grace, to bring Odion Lovett father, Lovett the accuser father, bring her to social media, come the answer. So can't question whether the lady they take care of his father. Now you go bring Ayo, former husband to Vera with her children. Now they say you go bring those children and The man come social media. They question them every blessed day. Anybody get case with you, you will send your boys to be terrorizing them in their family in Nigeria. Use your hand to plant seed when be say you will feel you will feel take when be say when it come, e no go hurt you. If you make problem with some kind people, the way they lock those people, they go bring paper come sign, they go sign. Before you know, they don't dey Castina state. Castina, they go instantly transfer. Who get case say na there for no person, you no fit stop am. Do your work. If you want make problem with people for social media, you will go and cook with heavy pot. That week, that week na problem you wan use am take do. After you don cook with that your big pot, na that week na problem. Anybody come your way, you crush it like alligator. E get wetin be say this saga of a king dey always dey give you for body. We dey watch you. And we e no concern people wey dey Nigeria wey no know wetin be say dey happen for social media. Me I for not come and talk, because as you dey tell them, na so dem dey tell you. But people when e dey home, leave them away from this saga. Face who face you. If he insult you, insult your children, come out and give am to them back. Why you surround yourself with cultism, with kidnappers, begin to terrorize a family, putting the life of those boys in danger? I know they take side. If you are right, I will tell you right. Wetin you do so not be good thing. Stay away from people problem. Stay away from people problem. No, they use problem till they find people, they go. No, they use problem till they find people, they go in on near you. Nobody will never make saga with. I know say when you see this video when I do so, you go still come for me. I can choose not to answer you. I can even go with you. Yes, now what you be say with the social media be this. If you do wrong, people will tell you are wrong. Wetin you do so, na wrong thing you do, my sister. Wetin that woman do you? Ayo are being a tools, like a tools to you. Because say you get saga with Vera. Ayo, today Ayo, tomorrow Ayo, tomorrow Ayo. If you want give her money, you want support her in a good way. No, because say you want pepper the other woman. Because they carry a baby father come out. No be wetin good. I condemn it. That is why I come out and tell you. You be my adult sister. I don't hate you, but I don't like the way you be say you take to do your thing. I don't like at all. Nobody will not dey a body. Nobody don't bring your baby father come out. We all know say you be single mother. We hear the story about you concerning your husband. Nobody don't bring your husband on social media. Everybody know he or her boundary. But if now you go find way to just talk to bring that innocent man come. When you come out for the first time, they fight for single mother. Everybody like the way they behave. Like you, anybody insult single mother, you'll be like saying now you they insult. Now they are start to develop love for you. Say yes, you feel stand for a woman like you. From there you can't bring problem. You start from FAE. You say FAE put life for your head. You defend yourself and not there against that one. A person put life for your head, now you know how you want to fight for yourself. But this one where you can't do now, not be waiting good. those people wey near you, near them, leave them. People wey dey Nigeria alone, no dey use anything dey find them. Anything when e happen now, another one happen, they carry those boys go area command, still write am down, you are sending them early grave. If you want support them, set up business for them. No dey use dem take dey create violence in our state. When you know say our state, the way wetin dey happen for that state na no be na no go area. No dey use dem take dey promote violence. Because you feel say they need the help, for you to give them that help, you dey send the errand wey be say no, e go fit put their enemy for danger. Like the one dey there, so they are into danger. The one wey dey there so na danger. To dey take care of human being spiritually and physically, prayer e no be easy. Person wey no be your family. Wetin you do that woman no be wetin good. Go and settle with Rita, so that may two of una unite for here. Na the secret I dey tell you so. Call am, settle with am. Two of una unite for here, everything go solve. Two of una still dey drag for here. Una still dey drag. Anything happen for Nigeria, those boys will go in. They will put them behind bar. Your money no fit do anything. They follow law. Nigeria get law. You come know say whether they get, maybe they fit get one or two politicians wey be say they dey hear from. You know say you cannot make problem with politicians. Now they get that country. Now they make law. Now they break the law. No we dey look something they do. Why guy here in the Abaloma ya tall be saga wey they not pay you. They to give you money for the Facebook or page or whatever. Now, you not go even reach. You not go even reach for only that one video. You not go reach 200 euro. You put human being life for danger. You get children. You get children. You still the way you talk. I know say that man. You still call am your husband. Wetin you dey do so you feel say na wetin e go just sit down dey look say yes he's doing the right thing. You go say na this one dey face o. Wey people no understand, na this one dey face, na this one go dey face, na the face is them. Why can't you bring good name to yourself? For that this social media wey we dey, so nobody wey you never follow, wey you never saga. Nobody. Now they say you now he laugh that lady when you newborn that day. Not you, not laugh am. Now your friend before, two of them the key line. They do business of sling, belly sling, I don't know whatever you say. They help you to promote am. When he said you na that pikin wey be say God never give one, now you take laugh am. You just dey do saga. You don't know where your children they play, they go tomorrow. They create problem, they put for your children down. This problem, anything way you do, this social media, your record, this one wey me still do now, e dey here. Wetin you do, I don't like am. I come condemn am for your face. You and that Grace. Grace have be a mastermind to whatever two of una dey do. You bring the matter come, she go help you do am. Not dey say anybody go anybody ask. If you know people wey be say when in danger, you dey send them to people ask. You are bringing problem to yourself. Now everybody don't know your code. Anybody get issue with you now, the next thing go first secure a family. That would be first priority. So person come like this, wanna lock everywhere. Call, and they will still carry them go the same police station, go still take another undertaking. They don't know your code where you dey use. And those boys confirm and say anybody you get problem with, the address dey with them. What are you using the address for? What are you using the address for? You dey here, you no go report, you dey bring problem to people wey dey Nigeria. And they say the policeman ask you case wey you get for here, wetin come concern dem concern the one wey dey here wey you come bring the problem come here. Your love it, mind the way you make problem with people, mind the way you threaten people. No dey threaten anybody. This threatening, life threatening. We dey watch una. We dey watch una. This one now we don still go write am down. Anybody wey you still make problem tomorrow, they come and say they still go attack their people for us. We know say na you and Grace. E don dey record, e don dey here. Na you and Grace. Una first do first, second, una do to lovely father Ayo plus Rita's mother. We will still go put this one, anyone when e come, we will go put am journal. And na so they go dey call for questioning. All those boys and the Grace go dey call for questioning. So no dey do that one again. We no want. Do your thing. You dey sell your business. Sell your business. Good thing dey promote business. No be bad. How many people, how many fans you get? Where you go constantly get one big go be enemy. Your business, according to people wey dey follow you, dey buy and they say e good. Okay, when you no use that energy take promote your business without doing saga, you go still go follow you back. You get 5 people, you and 3 no dey play for inside. How you wan make your business take sell? Take care of your children. If you wan do social media thing, carry your children come out, make una do am. You can even bring one topic when e be say people go fit learn from it. Not every time you saga bring people, you dey do am for here, not pay me o. I wish you not concern Nigeria, no say yes. Here na saga. Na saga dem dey saga theirself. Na that one we take know our. Na we take know Benin cyberspace. Saga. Edo cyberspace na saga. Nothing dey wey be say dey come from there again. Na only that place saga. Message, audit, message, audit. My sister, stay away from crime. Stay away from crime. Emmanuel. Stay away from, so that those our men now here they not turn on where I about it more. Where you if I could come on here, you logo, no you talk of walk back could come on here. And we are Boya Alama. I love you as an Edo sister, but I don't what you are doing, I'm totally against it. My dears, I just come let you know. Say what you do to that innocent woman. Not be wetin good. If na you it happen to, the way I still take talk so, maybe for still hard, I for still talk, may it hard pass this one. Because me I get mother. If I talk say I no get mother or who not get mother, at least he get 1 or 2 family. For whom? not dey promote violence, not dey use your brothers for to take dey create problem. Those boys' life are in danger. If in case you don't know, that family, let it be your priority. Pray for them. Pray for them. May anything not go dey happen for them. I don't know, I can't tell you, my sister. So my people, I beg, as now they watch this video, make una help us still share am. Wanna share this video, make it still reach their hand. And take the good one. Waiting I talk, use and take do something. Take the good one. I never come and talk to you like this. Waiting you do, I not like am. That make me come and come talk to you. Not if you not take as personal, but I not get anything against you. As a mother, will you be, and so that woman be mother. What you do to that woman not be good thing at all. Okay? If you want to make problem with anybody, make problem with her here. Leave people with their ass. I beg more help us share this video. Now today be your first time, my people. Subscribe to latest Aproko News TV. Like our video on your notification bell. Here we do many things. As this issue come like this, now we be the Edo community in diaspora. We will be live video influencer. Now we, if person tell you some another people they tell and say they now we they bring the good one, bring the bad one. We go talk am. They go use and take do something. You understand me? So when they follow this page, when I help out to share our video. We not they do saga here. We they talk and raw the way it be. You understand me? So no water now be not get enemy. Okay. May I leave now. I go see you now for the next video. Please share this video. Any hand we share this video now, money you go carry this year. Your hand not go touch sickness. Sickness not come your way. Share this video, make it go viral. You understand? If you want that and share this video, you'll see before 2 months the way you take the count million for your account. Okay? My people, I love you now with the love of Christ. See you now for the next video. Bye-bye.